In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. If this video helped you out, please subscribe. So first, what you want to do is open up your Facebook and go to the bottom left on your profile and top left. Now you can of course see your profile picture, and as you can see, I have few likes, this and that, and let's say I want to make this my profile picture and I don't want to lose likes. I would go to the top right on the three options, and then I can say make a cover photo and do that, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.